How to change YouTube Shorts thumbnail after posting. First of all, let's navigate and open the YouTube app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are in, let's go to your profile page from the bottom right. From the profile page, tap on your channel name to open it. Here, find the Shorts video that you have already uploaded and tap on the three dots next to it. From the menu, select Edit option to open editing page. Now, to change the video thumbnail, tap on the pencil icon at the top left side and it will open your video on the screen. Slide your finger on the video timeline to select the frame that you want to set as the new thumbnail. Once selected, tap on the check mark at the top to apply the changes. Finally, tap on Save to update the video details. Let's have a preview after making the changes. And that's it. This is how you can change the thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts after posting. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.